Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd South Lakes BMW, and here we have an M140i Shadow Edition, finished in Estoril Blue. It has 18-inch M-Light double-spoke Orbit Grey alloy wheels, with M-Sport brakes and blue brake calipers, enhancing the M-Sport look and feel. In the rear windows, it has sun protection glass, protecting backseat passengers from harmful UV rays, while also adding an element of privacy. As it's an M Performance car, it has the M Sport suspension, lowering the car by 10mm, and it has a more direct suspension setup for dynamic and sporty driving. It has a top speed of 155 mph, and with 335 brake horsepower, it can get from 0 to 62 in 4.6 seconds. Moving on to the interior, it has the Black Dakota leather upholstery and front heated sport seats. Essential for driving in the winter is their quick heating. If you're interested in learning more about this M140i Shadow Edition, please get in touch via the details provided, or come and visit us at Lloyd South Lakes BMW.